balls, cuz.
What's up, everybody? Here we go again. That's a video. Like I said, more progress to this car. As you can see, got my little Welding helmet. Yeah, it's a little fucked up, but hey, it works. It does a job. So but yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got so far. Just started. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. We both learn. I learned. You learn. We both learn. We're getting it together. That's the whole point of this channel. We all learn together. It's all backyard boogie. All learning. So yeah, let me just show you what I got so far, and we'll just keep the videos rolling. So yeah, it's a little tight squeeze. So far I got, you know, just a little spot weld here, spot weld. These ones I had to grind them off because it wasn't lining up flush the way I wanted it to be. So when you run your hand, it should be one, you know, smooth. You won't get that little dip or a bump. But yeah, I had to grind that one off, and that one. But yeah, so far so good. Got a few tack welds in. Yeah, be more smooth. That's the project for today. My goal for today is at least get the whole thing tack welded in. You know, I still got more over here. Still gotta adjust this. But yeah, you know, like I said, 5 inches between, 4 to 5 inches between each weld, so you won't overheat the panel and you warp it. And that's, if you do that, then this is more body work and stuff you don't want extra to do. But yeah, so far so good. Let me show you what's helping me also, besides me holding it like this and, you know, keeping it even. But I'll show you what's been helping me also. So I got these magnet things, these for welding, I guess you angles, whatever you call them. I don't know, this is my first time using them. But the other magnets I'm using them for, you know, sorry, I'm on my fucking phone again. So yeah, just, you know, you put it here like that and push it out a little bit from here, and it brings the panel flush, like how this is right here. So yeah, I've been doing the whole thing like that. We got 4 of them. They're not as strong as the bigger ones, but you know, it's doing its job. And not doing nothing without using anything else. So I'm using these and I'm holding it like that. But yeah, it's going. But let's get back to this BS of a panel. See, nice and flush. Yeah. And when you do that, you'll come back like in this spot. If it's a little bit off, you just push it in a little bit and tack weld here. Push it in a little bit, tack weld, tack weld, tack weld, tack weld. Just repetitive the whole way. Alright, so I'll cut you guys back on after I spot weld all of this. It'll be a repetitive shit, you know what I'm saying? Let me just get all this done and I'll get back to you guys it's all spot welded in, and then we'll just go back again. All right, now it's all, you know, spot welded, holding in place. Got used to the damn phone, but yeah. She's on there. That's what I was talking about. First you do these two, so you even out the heat, and then you come, after you've done all that, then you come in between, so you won't overheat the panel, so it won't warp. That's what I was talking about earlier. But yeah, it's coming out dope, man. For the first time ever doing a quarter panel. I was kind of hesitant on doing the video and me doing it by myself because I didn't want to fuck it up. But you know what? If you don't try and you don't give your all, then you know, you never learn. I mean, you not learn, but you'll never know what you could do. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I say get your hands dirty and just, you know, practice makes better. You know, you'll get better at it. This, I'm still working on it. I guess the homie, he cut a relief point, but I don't know if that was necessary, because now I gotta adjust this somehow and make this sit. So I gotta be extra careful with this, because I gotta tack weld here and then tack weld the other side, and I don't want to get this thing hot because I don't want to, you know, warp, and it will not fit flush anymore. But yeah, all along, tack weld. I'm gonna leave these just to hold these at the bottom, just the way it is, because just in case I do have to fuck with this, I'll just, you know, grind those off and get them adjusted accordingly. So yeah, that's how far I got. But from here this way, from here all the way back, I can finish more tack welds, and I'll just stop right here by the window, by the rear window. But yeah, you know, it's going great, man. I'm liking it so far. Coming out real nice. So let's get back to the video and more spot weld, spot. All right, fuck it. Cause my ball's on fire. Looking good. Check my balls good. All right, 2 balls, good. Let that rest up, give it cool. Going that way. But yeah, it's getting there. Say, I'm not a professional welder. I'm still new at this, so some of them might pop off, some might not. But as long as they get all of it, It's all good. Then we'll come here with the little sanding disc, sand all this bitch down smooth, and see what I need. Go out after that. This is body work. So yeah, let's get back to it. All right, so this is what we got so far. I'm gonna finish up a little bit more. This one I'm gonna do a little bit more work, but I don't want to bother you guys with spot welding. So I guess the next clip will be me grinding them down. So it's gonna be a minute, but I'll be back. So the purpose of this, what I'm doing, I just want to check out where I'm at, or I need to spot welds more. That motherfucker looking clean. You know, go here and there. Like I said, it's my first time, so just trying new things. Yeah, little things here and there. Yo, this shit's coming out nice, real nice. We got more to go. Spots here that I still need to weld. Like I'm saying, I can't weld so much close to it because I don't want to get the pan too hot. But me grinding this down is looking real nice and uniform. No little no edge. But yeah. So I like I said in the video, on this video, I'm probably just go up to here to the rear of the wheel well for this video. And for the next video, I'll probably do the rest of it. For the next video, I'll finish the front because that's a big process. But for this video, I just want to finish from the rear wheel well this way. You know, do sections at a time because I don't want to do everything and fuck it up. This is my first time. But hey, what I can see is coming out real nice. I gotta come in and, like I said, do a little more spot welds. But yeah, man. If I could do it, you guys can do it, man. This is my first time, man. And it's, all you gotta do is just your research. And my research was YouTube. So shout out to all the YouTubers that I've seen their videos doing patches on quarter panels. Shit, I'm about to be YouTube certified. Hopefully. But yeah, let me finish grinding this down and I'll get back to you guys, and then I'll do a little bit more of the welding off camera, and then I'll show you the finished product of what I got left. And yeah, that's a wrap for this video. All right, guys, thank you. Peace. So that's what I got so far. I clear this up. I still need some more welds, but I don't want to get too hot. I don't want to warp it. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now. But yeah, this motherfucker looking good. I stopped here, like I said, behind the wheel well. Just a little small spot welding to do. If not, you know, you could still do fucking like kitty hair, whatever they call it. But it's stronger than Bondo. But yeah, it's just coming out nice. So far, it's looking good for the first time. Shit, I can't complain. That's good. Just these little ones, but I'll get those. It ain't nothing. Backyard boogie, we get some shit done. First time. Can't complain. The body lines are there. This curve is there. This whole thing is here. This edge. So it is what it is. We're getting down, boy. Oh yeah. Harbor Freight welder. You don't need that expensive ass fuck. Alright, so I was gonna wrap the video. Hope you guys like what you guys saw. Man, if you guys did, you know, hit the like button, subscribe, that shit means a lot to me. Comment below, see how I did. But yeah, you know what? I want to say something. I'll give a shout out to the homeboy, Randy. He's from Lowrider Style, you know. He's been down for a minute, you know, going through some health problems and shit, you know. I wish you well, brother, man. You big influence to me. I know it was my first club out there in Seattle, Washington. But man, I see a lot of stuff that's been going down. But hey, man, I wish you well, man. I hope you get better. You know, God is good, man. You'll make it, and yeah, I love you, man. But yeah, I had to show love to my homie from back then from Seattle. But like I said, man, if you guys like what you guys see in the video, you know, like, comment, subscribe, you know, say something. But yeah, I'm done. Peace.